Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today my bike check is my son's Giant XTC Jr size 20. So size 20 means 20-inch wheels for 6 to 8 years old kids who wants to ride or who wants a bike, who wants a mountain bike. They also have the variant 24-inch tires for bigger kids, and I think it has a disc brake, mechanical disc brake on it. So we'll start again with the tires and go to the rear. So here we have the tires, 20-inch tires, 20 by 1.95 tires. It's an Innova brand tires. I think it's a China brand tires. Then the fork is a Zoom fork, coil spring, 50mm travel. So the handlebar is a Giant Junior MTB low rise 25mm. So this has a giant grips. So on the cockpit we have the bell, a reflector, a Shimano 7-speed shifter, and a they call it a linear pull brake. So this is for kids, mechanical brake, rim brake, both on left or front and rear. So you will see here the linear pull type. So it grips on the rim. So the frame is an aluminum frame for junior or kids, with a color of shocking green or bright green. So we have the Giant Kids MTB saddle on a seat post that is 27.2 mm diameter with a Lite that I gave my son. So this is a 1x7-speed bike, so it doesn't have the front derailleur, and a 140mm crank arm. The chain is a KMC chain for 7-speed. My apologies for the rust. So at the rear we have the rear derailleur. It's a Shimano Tourney 7-speed with a bush guard for the derailleur. So if you'll notice, this is not a quick release type hub, as it is an old-fashioned type of lock. No quick release for both front and rear. The cassette included is from 14T to 28T, so 7-speed. So this is a bit hard for kids when going climbs or flat climbs or any other climbs. It's going to be hard with partnering with the 36T chain ring. So on the rear, still the same 20-inch rim or end tires, 20 by 1.95 tires, and the brand is still Innova tires. So for the brakes, it's the linear pull brakes. It's a rim brake. It grips on the rim for both front and back. So of course this is not very powerful, but it does the job as skids are very light. So there you have it, the parts, specs of my son's Giant XTC Jr 20-inch. They call this Giant XTC Jr Lite. It is actually very light for a mountain bike for kids, comparing to the generic ones we can buy on bicycle stores with no brand. So my son has ridden this at bike playground, Circular Verde, and of course Timberland, from basic trail going to Sinai. Of course, in Sapinit Road, it's a climb. I push his bike and my bike, but when it's flat, he rides it. In the trail, this bike is not bad. I bought this for 11,000 pesos SRP. So if you want your kids to experience mountain bike, I think this is one of the cheapest, I will say safest bike to buy and go riding on a mountain. So introducing your kids to outdoor experience, because nowadays kids are very addicted with gadgets, online games. I suggest you make them experience nature, which is now not very common for the kids, or even playing outside the house. So my son is very happy with this. So before I forget to tell you, this used to be a grip shift. So grip shift is not really best for kids, as even for adult, for me, it's hard to shift the gears. Unlike this thumb and finger shifter, it's very easy. So I look for at online at Shopee, who is selling a 7-speed for both left and right, but I only end up using the rear for the rear shifter, as this is set up for only one buy. So this is it for the bike check for the Giant XTC Jr 20-inch. Again, they have the another size for 24-inch. Frame wise, it's only one size. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope you subscribe so I can make more bike checks or bike essential videos. I guess that's it. My next video would be a trainer, smart direct drive trainer, which you can charge your device while training. So the power you are putting on it, it doesn't go to waste. It goes to a device that is being charged by that smart drive trainer. So that's it. I'll see you on my next video.